Java Basic Output. So in this section, you're going to learn some simple ways to display output. We can simply use System.out.println, parentheses, System.out.println, parentheses, or System.out.printf, parentheses, to send the output to a screen. But first, let's learn the features of these output methods and why you'd use one over another. Print is the method that prints a string inside the quotes. Print in is a method that prints a string inside quotes similar to the print method. However, after printing, the cursor goes to the beginning of the next line. The printf method provides string formatting. In the exercise project, right-click on the source folder and select New, Class. Specify the package name as Input Output and the class name as Basic Output, and then select the checkbox for the main method. So the first message is, Welcome to Java Programming, by using the print method. Now here, print is a method that displays the string inside the quotes, right? So let's run the code. Okay, the result is true. Now we can copy-paste a line into a new line in Eclipse without having to highlight the entire line. We can use the key commands Control-Alt-Down arrow for this, and it's perfect. Also, we can concatenate the strings by using a plus sign as the operator. So the first string is welcome to, and the plus operator, and the second string is Java programming. So let's run that code. Okay, the result is the same. Now let's copy with these new lines and change text like that. Now here we have two print-in methods and two print methods. Okay, so let's run the code. Now you can see the result. After print-in methods, the cursor moves to a new line. But after print methods, cursor remains on the same line. So why don't we look at the printf method, and we'll define three variables. First, int x and assign 5. Second, int y and assign 3. And last, int z and assign x plus y. So in the printf method, we'll use the %mark with the D character that represents a decimal integer. So let's run the code and show the output.